Welcome to our video on banana. Benefits of eating bananas. Bananas, a versatile Southeast Asian fruit, contain vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. They can help regulate blood sugar, support digestion, and assist in weight loss. Bananas also contain compounds that show promise in fighting certain cancers and can improve mood and memory. They're a good source of resistant starch, which aids in weight loss, digestion, and cholesterol reduction. However, consuming them in moderation is essential due to their high sugar content. Adding bananas to your daily diet can bring surprising and significant health benefits. In this video, we will be discussing 9 benefits of eating bananas. So let's get into it. How do bananas help with blood sugar control? Bananas can help keep your blood sugar levels steady because they have fiber. A medium banana has about 3 grams of fiber, which can prevent sudden increases in blood sugar. Different people experience different changes in their blood sugar levels when they eat foods containing carbohydrates like bananas. If you have diabetes, regularly monitor your blood sugar after eating bananas. Depending on the results, you may need to change your diet. To minimize blood sugar spikes, pick bananas that aren't fully ripe. Eating them with other foods can also help manage your blood sugar levels. Bananas excel in stabilizing blood sugar, enhancing insulin sensitivity, and promoting heart health. A medium-sized banana is sweet and has 22 grams of carbs. However, it also includes beneficial substances. These include phytochemicals, vitamin B6, potassium, and antioxidants. These elements help balance blood sugar and keep it under control. This reduces the risks related to diabetes. People with diabetes should eat bananas in moderation. They need to include them in a balanced and personalized eating plan. It's a good idea to seek advice from a registered dietitian or diabetes specialist for personalized recommendations. Select a small, firm, and ripe banana. This will help you control your sugar intake. It will also lessen the effect on your blood sugar levels. How can bananas support heart health? Bananas support heart health in several ways. Bananas are rich in potassium. Eating a medium-sized banana gives you about 10% of your daily potassium requirement. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Bananas have a low sodium content. This mix of low sodium and high potassium helps control high blood pressure. Bananas contain vitamin C, an antioxidant. They also have potassium and fiber. These nutrients can help maintain a healthy heart. These antioxidants fight free radicals and lower the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease. Adding bananas to your diet is a simple and delicious way to promote heart health. It also supports your general health. How do bananas aid in digestion? Bananas help with digestion because they have fiber. A medium-sized banana contains roughly 3 grams of fiber. This fiber helps you maintain regular bowel movements and promotes a healthy digestive system. Also, unripe bananas have resistant starch, a type of fiber that goes through the gut without being digested. In the large intestine, bacteria break down this starch. They turn it into short-chain fatty acids such as butyrate. These acids are beneficial for the health of the gut. As bananas ripen, they have more water-soluble pectin, which helps digestion. The resistant starch and pectin in bananas act as prebiotic nutrients, supporting the growth of helpful gut bacteria. This can help keep a healthy balance of gut bacteria and improve overall gut function. Also, the fiber in bananas, including soluble fiber, can prevent constipation and make stool softer. Adding bananas to your diet is simple. It's also an effective way to help your digestive system. This can improve your digestive health overall. How can bananas provide an energy boost? Bananas can give you an energy boost because they have carbohydrates. A medium-sized banana has about 27 grams of carbohydrates, including sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose. Bananas are a quick, easy energy source, ideal for a pre-workout snack. Bananas contain carbohydrates that can boost your energy. This makes them an excellent food for athletes and active people to fuel their day. Bananas are packed with nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, which help with energy production. Potassium is important for muscle function, including the muscles used for energy production and movement. Magnesium helps convert food into energy. Vitamin B6 helps the body use and store energy from protein and carbohydrates in food. Bananas contain carbohydrates and energy-boosting nutrients. This makes them a natural and effective option for increasing energy levels. Bananas not only give you a burst of energy, but they can also help fix muscle tissue. They balance the levels of nutrients in your body after exercising. This makes banana a convenient and helpful snack for both before and after exercising. Bananas are a natural energy source because they contain carbohydrates and nutrients. They are valuable for all kinds of activities and everyday energy needs. Can bananas support weight management? Bananas are good for managing weight. They contain a lot of fiber. They also have few calories. A medium-sized banana contains roughly 3 grams of fiber. This fiber helps you stay full longer, potentially preventing you from eating too much. The soluble fiber found in bananas turns into a gel when it dissolves in your digestive system. This gel can help you feel fuller for longer, which aids in controlling your appetite. Unripe bananas contain resistant starch. This is a fiber that our body cannot digest. It helps you stay full for a longer time. Additionally, it helps control blood sugar levels after you eat. Bananas have relatively few calories. An average medium-sized banana provides just over 100 calories. Bananas are high in fiber and low in calories. This makes them a filling snack. They can help you feel full, control hunger, and lose weight. Bananas do not magically cause weight loss. However, they can be a beneficial part of a diet that includes many whole fruits and vegetables. When included in a balanced diet, bananas can help with weight management and overall health. How can bananas enhance exercise performance? Bananas can boost your exercise performance. They have carbohydrates that provide a quick and easy energy source. Bananas are good to eat before and during long, intense workouts. They help improve performance and how the body uses fuel. Bananas are an affordable source of energy. Endurance athletes eat them for their carbohydrates, nutrients, and antioxidants. These elements help support nutrition during long, strenuous workouts. Bananas can speed up recovery after exercise. They reduce inflammation. They also help the body manage oxidative stress during physical activity. They contain lots of potassium. Potassium helps enhance athletic performance. It also controls muscle movement and stops cramps. Bananas contain carbohydrates that offer a steady flow of glucose. This can help fuel your workouts. That's why bananas are a popular snack before exercise. Bananas are packed with nutrients and are easy to digest. This makes them a great option for athletes. They can help athletes enhance their performance and achieve better results. Can bananas help regulate mood? Bananas can improve your mood. They have tryptophan, a crucial amino acid. Tryptophan helps make serotonin. Serotonin is a brain chemical related to mood and thinking. Serotonin is often called the feel-good chemical. It is a neurotransmitter that helps boost your mood. It plays an important role in making you feel happy and content. Bananas also have vitamin B6. This vitamin helps create neurotransmitters such as dopamine and serotonin. These substances are important for regulating mood. How do bananas support the immune system? Bananas help the immune system because they contain vitamin C. A medium-sized banana contains about 10% of your daily vitamin C needs. Vitamin C is important for supporting the immune system. Vitamin C is a crucial nutrient. It keeps the skin, bones, and tissues healthy. It also works as an antioxidant. This means it protects cells from damage. Additionally, it helps support the immune system. Bananas are an easy and delicious way to strengthen your immune system. They can also improve your general health. What are the benefits of eating bananas during pregnancy? Eating bananas during pregnancy is beneficial for both the expecting mother and the baby. Bananas contain important vitamins and minerals like potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and folate. These nutrients help support a mother's health. They also aid in the fetus's healthy growth and development. Bananas quickly boost energy, which helps fight fatigue and keeps you active. Bananas are high in fiber, which improves digestion and helps prevent constipation, a common issue in pregnancy. They also contain potassium, which helps control blood pressure. This can lower the risk of high blood pressure during pregnancy and its complications. This fruit is bland, making it good for easing morning sickness and nausea. It helps during the difficult first trimester. Bananas contain folate, which is crucial for a baby's development early on. It helps form the baby's brain and spinal cord, lowering the chance of neural tube defects. Bananas also help with heart health. They support the heart's function and keep blood pressure levels in check. The daily amount of bananas to eat when pregnant changes based on your specific nutritional needs and what you usually eat. Still, it's usually good to eat 1 medium-sized bananas each day. This fits well into a healthy diet. Eating this amount of bananas gives you a lot of important nutrients. Bananas have a lot of water, which helps with hydration. This is important for keeping amniotic fluid levels right and supporting body functions. Bananas are good for pregnant women to gain a healthy weight. They give important nutrients without too much sugar or bad fats. Still, it's important to eat bananas as part of a varied diet. This diet should have fruits, vegetables, proteins, and whole grains. Talking to a healthcare provider or a nutritionist can help. They can give advice based on personal needs for a healthy pregnancy. What is the best time of day to eat bananas? Eat bananas in the morning or evening. They're a healthy choice for breakfast and a satisfying snack at night. You can eat bananas anytime during the day. However, it's better not to eat them when the stomach is empty. To avoid digestive problems, especially in the morning, eat bananas with other foods. Yogurt or whole grain toast are good options to pair with bananas. Eating bananas before bed can help you sleep better. Bananas contain tryptophan, which the body uses to make serotonin. Serotonin is a brain chemical that helps control your sleep cycle. We've examined how bananas are good for us. They help regulate blood sugar and improve heart health. Bananas also aid digestion and contribute to overall well-being. I recommend eating this nutritious fruit every day. It has surprising and significant health benefits. I hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe for more science-based nutrition content. Thank you for watching.